For over 90 years, one name has quietly powered some of the world's toughest industries, from grounds maintenance to utilities, construction, to industrial, fire rescue, and everything in between. That name is Hannay Reels.
We made the decision to just perfect reels, right? Just perfect the manufacturer reels, making the strongest, most durable, serviceable reel that we possibly can.
What started as a single reel in Westerlo, New York, Hannay has grown to a full-scale operation, still rooted in our community, still turning out quality American-made products that help industries thrive.
We started back in 1933. My great-grandfather just happened to bump into a colleague who delivered kerosene fuel oil and asked if Clifford could help him design a reel to make those deliveries a little easier. And it just sort of branched out from there.
I feel that Hannay Reels is a big family. We have fifth generation employees now. My son, my daughter-in-law, and my stepdaughter all work here. They're fifth generation. And only 3% of businesses that are family-owned make it to the fourth generation.
Hannay is far from a one-size-fits-all operation. Our people put craftsmanship first. We know your industry, and we work with you to find exactly what you need. Then, we manufacture high-quality reels that perform safely, efficiently, and economically.
Each reel goes through many different lines to where people are, checking every minimal detail on these things, and before they go out, they are hitting a lot of eyes, you know what I mean? And the whole process from start to finish essentially is with a human.
To make durable hose and cable reels that perform for decades, you need the right materials and engineering excellence.
You see your reel out and about on, a propane truck or, a pesticide truck, and I have a buddy in the landscaping business that's like, I buy your reels for my landscaping business, and their quality, that's what I like about it.
Customer service is at the heart of everything we do. We work to understand your problems so we can solve them. We know and love our products, and it shows.
In my 32 years here, I've never picked up the phone in the morning and called in and said I wouldn't be here. I just love coming to work every day. I love pumping out the reels.
To be an industry leader, you can't rest on success. At Hannay, we are constantly researching new ways to improve and innovate. Whether it's new designs to make an exact fit to solve someone's issue, or using state-of-the-art equipment and technologies to make reels that last.
We use a variety of machine tools and manufacturing methods and joining technologies. So you will see robotics, you will see CNC equipment, you will definitely see all kinds of technology used throughout the plant.
We were working with a company. They were building portable runways for the Air Force, and they needed to have a reel that could hold like 10,000 feet of cable. And they would run it out as they're laying out these runways. And we worked with them, worked with engineering, came up with a solution.
And no matter what, we never sacrifice quality and dependability. Our reels are easy to maintain and built to last.
Our product is a generational product. You buy it once, you're literally going to have it for life. Your kids, your grandkids will be able to use that product.
You can trust that you're always getting our best. Just like our reels, Hannay is always working when you need it.
The smartest employees, I think, in the world, the most innovative, have the best ideas, and care so much. And that's what's made Hannay Reels successful for the last 90 years.
It literally puts a smile on my face to just walk by and say, gosh, that guy who's making this machine tool part, he's really talented,
For the business owners and workers who count on Hannay Reels to get jobs done, one thing will always be clear.
Our reels
work as hard as the people who use them.